Hi friends, if this is your first time tablet weaving, I think by the end of this class you're going to be absolutely hooked. And if you've had a little bit of experience with tablet weaving but want to delve in a little bit more, perhaps look at a few different ways of achieving the same results, then this is the class for you. We're going to be using an Inkle Loom as our loom in this class. We're going to be using readily available cottons as well as basic cards that are also readily available. We'll be looking at how to weave two different bands. The first band is just a two-colour, more simple design to ease you in. I'm going to be showing you one method of warping and threading for that band. And then for our next band, we're going to move on to something a little more colourful and challenging. And I'm going to show you a separate method of warping and threading for that band. We're also going to be looking at two online design programs, plus I'm going to show you how you can design beautiful bands like these on paper. This way you can gain the confidence to start weaving the bands that you really want to. We're going to be talking about yarns, colour, and I'm going to inspire you with some great examples. So if you're ready to weave some gorgeous tablet bands, let's get into the class.